Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of disputing a charge on your American Express card quickly and efficiently. Follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve any billing discrepancies and ensure your account remains in good standing. Step 1. Review your statement. Begin by carefully reviewing your recent statements. Identify the charge you wish to dispute, noting the amount, transaction date, and merchant. Make sure to check for any possible legitimate reasons for the charge. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Compile any supporting documents related to the disputed transaction. This may include receipts, emails, or any correspondence with the merchant. Having this information ready will strengthen your case. Step 3. Log in to your American Express account. Access your American Express online account or mobile app. If you haven't set up an account, you can easily create one using your card details. Step 4. Locate the dispute section. Find the section dedicated to disputes. This is often labeled as Account Services or Dispute a Transaction. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Initiate the dispute. Select the transaction you'd like to dispute. Follow the prompts to provide details about the charge, reasons for the dispute, and upload any supporting documents you have gathered. Step 6. Review and submit. Before submitting your dispute, review all the information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, submit your dispute. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. After your submission, you'll receive a confirmation from American Express. They will investigate the matter, which typically takes up to 30 days. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your dispute. Step 8. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within the specified time frame, don't hesitate to reach out to American Express customer service for an update on your dispute status. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.